Should I replace my furnace and AC at the same time, or should I just replace the unit that broke down? I get this question all the time. Hi, I'm Miriam Johnson, co-host of the TV series Home Time. Deciding to replace one or both pieces of heating or air conditioning equipment can be a real dilemma. You may be tempted to just replace the unit that's giving you trouble, and then replace the other unit at a later date. However, there may be advantages to replacing both at the same time. For example, if your air conditioner has broken down but your furnace is still working fine, you may think that it's new enough to maybe last a few more years. The problem is the older furnace is also older technology, and that can be problematic. Old and new technology don't work well together, and therefore you're not going to get that energy efficiency that you paid for with your new AC. Furnace and AC systems built today are more energy efficient than ever. In fact, today's technology can save you 20% on energy bills compared to a system built just 10 years ago. If you replace just one piece of equipment and you mix these technologies, then energy efficiency and comfort is lower on both units and their lifespan decreases. Of course, there are exceptions to every rule. The one that's still working may be a good match for the one you need to replace. The best way to know is to seek advice from a professional. They'll give you plenty of options. If you need more information on replacing your furnace or AC, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.